welcome to my channel. I am Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe and welcome to yet another travel vlog. So this is the second time I'm traveling in the first month of 2023 and this time we are going international. We'll be going to Dubai. I'm so freaking excited. I mean, you can already see it. I'm really excited for this trip. But anyway, we're getting late for the airport, so let's get going and बाकी की बातें airport पे करते हैं. Since this is my second trip of the year and it's also an international trip, I'm literally on 7th heaven. Since we had some extra time, we went to the lounge at the airport to grab some food and now it's time to head to the gate. So our check-in, security check-in, immigration, everything is done. वैसे काफी भीड़ थी, but now we are finally heading to our gate because it's time to board our flight and finally in I think a few hours we'll be in Dubai. I'm really looking forward to it. But यहाँ पे काफी चलना है हमें. So let's go. I forgot to mention this before, but this trip is along with my first cousins and my mama mami. So of course it's a family trip. It's going to be amazing. Dubai looks so pretty from the sky. I wonder what it will look like when we are actually in the city. Right after we landed, we got to experience the Dubai Metro. So the place where the plane actually lands and the terminal is at a distance. So we have to use the metro to go to the terminal. After completing all the formalities at the airport, we took a taxi to our hotel. Everything in Dubai is very systematic, which is great. And of course, the route to our hotel was great. It was so smooth. And on our way, we could really feel the luxury of Dubai. And the city of gold always shines bright in the day or even at night. The beauty of Dubai, the picture-perfect skyline. I think no other place can compare to the architecture, the buildings, and the vibe of Dubai. It's my second time in Dubai and I'm forever falling in love with Dubai all over again. And after a long journey of 4 hours in flight, it felt longer than 4 hours to be honest, but we finally made it to our destination, that is Dubai. Although I was really tired at the airport, but like after seeing the city, I'm so excited to be here. And I cannot stop myself from saying the line, but Habibi, welcome to Dubai. I mean, although you cannot see much over here, Abhi hum bas apne hotel mein aaye hain. We'll just check in, check out our room, and then we'll set out to explore Dubai. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So we've checked into our apartment and for the first 3 days of Dubai, we'll be staying in Golden Sands Hotel. So basically this is an apartment hotel and let me give you a tour of this apartment. Okay, so as you enter, right here is the dining area with some really nice frames along with it. Now next, let's move on to the hall. So there's the TV, there's a sofa set and then over there is the window. Although view kuch bahut khas nahi hai, so we'll just skip that part. Now in this corridor are the other rooms. So over here we have the kitchen, then there's the washing area. There are some frames placed over here. Then this is the first room right here. So there are 2 twin beds here and here's one washroom. Okay, so next as you move ahead, there's another washroom right here. And this is the main master bedroom. And that basically sums up the entire apartment. So our apartment is quite spacious as you saw and काफी cozy भी लग रहा है. But right now it's 11 o'clock Dubai time and we're going outside to explore. We'll be going to Burjuman Center today. So basically वहाँ पे बहुत सारे brand outlets etc. है. So let's go and explore that place. It's very close to our apartment. It's just at walking distance. So yeah, let's check it out. Burjuman is one of the oldest shopping malls in Dubai and in the residential area of Bur Dubai. It features a wide variety of shops, restaurants and entertainment options as well as a large multi-level parking garage. It is home to several major department stores as well as luxury brand boutiques like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. It has a variety of dining options including several restaurants and cafes along with fast food joints. But unfortunately, most of it was closed because we came here quite late. Nonetheless, we grabbed burgers from McDonald's and called it a night. Now that I've stepped into the city of wonders, it's not possible to sum up everything I did in one vlog. Dubai is a city of contrasts where ancient tradition meets modern innovation. Known for its towering skyscrapers, luxurious hotels and shopping malls, Dubai is a destination that offers something for everyone. Join me as I explore this mesmerizing city and discover all it has to offer in my upcoming travel vlogs from Dubai. While I'm ending this Dubai episode over here, there's a lot more to come, so stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.